always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today is actually a special video. We're gonna be trying to go for Supreme Oreos today. Shit is crazy. This is a collaboration that actually made it on the news, and they actually ended up not dropping the Oreos in the UK or EU. It seems like this is gonna be a US exclusive. I'm assuming it's because right now shipping is kind of difficult when it comes to different items, and edibles is probably something difficult to ship in a situation like this. So that's probably why they made it a US exclusive, which kind of sucks for EU and any other place that's trying to get it. But today we're going to be trying to go for the Oreos. We might go for the cream crew neck and the El Chapo shirt. That shit is fire. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna end up succeeding on, but that's what I'm gonna be trying to go for today. If you do end up enjoying this video, slap a like on it down below. Try to get me to 15,000 subscribers. I'm so close. I'm missing like 280, which is right there, bro. Just get me to 15K and I will start a giveaway for you guys. Click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So we're here and the shit just loaded. Okay, how many could you buy? You can buy 8 packs. I'm gonna try to re-up on as many as I possibly can. The Timberland crew neck is right here as well. You about to go ahead and add that. It's not letting me add shit, bro. I feel like the site is gonna crash because there's so many people trying to buy these damn Oreos that honestly, yo, the crew neck is sold out. That can't be. Like, the site just loaded. The Oreos are not even going into my cart. I'm gonna screen record on here. Okay, they went on my cart. Come on, check out, bro. The Oreos are sold out? That cannot be. Like, what the fuck? I'm about to be heated if they sold out that quick. What? Oh, nah, they're there. They're there. Come on, add to my cart, bro. Shit is not adding to my cart. Every time I add 8, it says it's sold out. I'm gonna try on my phone because I feel like I have better luck on my phone, to be honest. It still says they're there. It's just not letting me through. Okay, I'm in. Boom. 08. Come on, process. Let me through, bro. Let me through. That's all I need. Like, process payment. I'm in the please wait screen right now. Hopefully it says it's sold out, bro. Yeah, Oreos are gone. That's so homo, bro. Damn, son, I couldn't even get the Oreos. I'm tight, but it says they're still here, so it doesn't make no sense whatsoever. Like, it lets me add them to my cart, it lets me click the checkout button, and then it says it's sold out. Like, I don't understand, to be honest. On my phone it's popping up. I'm about to add it. Let's see what's going on. And now it says sold out. Come on, I need something. Like, come on, dude. Yo, the Oreos are hard as hell to buy. I don't understand. It says sold out, then they're not sold out. I think they're actually sold out at this point. I guess the site is just crashing. Like, it's not, yeah. And I couldn't get shit. I'm sick. I am sick right now, dude. That sucks. Like, that's another item I'm gonna have to pay resale for. I really wanted them Oreos. It's kind of a bummer that I couldn't get it, but it is what it is. Like, when I catch an L on those big items that I'm waiting on, I don't even be wanting to buy shit else, because it's like, bro, I don't even care about none of this shit. I wanted that. The El Chapo shirt is sold at this point. Damn, I played myself, bro. Definitely played myself. I should have just went for other shit in the midst of buying the Oreos, but I guess I don't know, bro. I got caught up in time and it really sucks. Yeah, nothing, bro. I don't know if I should buy this Timberland crew neck. They don't even have my size, so it's like, fuck it. So I guess that pretty much does it. I'm gonna try to go for these Oreos still, but if I don't manage to get them, you guys saw what happened. The bots ate these shits up. I fucked up and played myself by not setting Addict.io up. I just caught up in dumbass motherfucker. Fuck, I just got caught up in time and I didn't do anything that I was supposed to. I came here right when it was time to get started and I played myself, to be honest. I thought it was gonna be way easier because, like, with the band-aids, they had so much stock that you could pick these shits up, and that's what I thought was gonna happen with these Oreos. Damn, did I fucking play myself. This shit is ridiculous, bro. I'm honestly really upset about this one. There's nothing else I could do. Like, I'm gonna just catch y'all if I do end up getting anything, but leave a like for the effort. Subscribe if you are new. Get me to 15,000 subscribers if you guys can, and I will start a giveaway for you. But I guess that pretty much does it. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.